Hi everyone. Today we're going to study the standard equation of the circle, the general equation of the circle, and conversion of general equation to standard equation by completing the square. Given the circle with center at HK and the point of the circle represented by XY, and the distance between the center and the point is the radius r. The standard equation of the circle is the quantity x minus h is squared plus the quantity y minus k is squared equals r squared. We're going to expand the squares, so we have now x squared minus 2hx plus h squared plus y squared minus 2ky plus k squared equals r squared. Rearranging the terms, we have now x squared plus y squared minus 2hx minus 2ky plus h squared plus k squared. This r squared on the right is now transposed on the left, so we have negative r squared all equal to 0. We let d equals this negative 2h. We let e equals negative 2k. And we let f equals h squared plus k squared minus r squared. Then we have now x squared plus y squared plus dx plus ey plus f equals 0. This is now what we call the general equation of the circle. Let us see this example 1. Find the general equation of the circle with center at 2, 5 and radius 3. For our solution, we write our standard equation here, and then let us substitute corresponding values. Later, we will expand. So we have here now x minus 2 will be squared plus the quantity y minus 5 is squared equals r squared. And this x minus 2 squared is now expanded into x squared minus 4x plus 4 plus this quantity y minus 5 squared is now y squared minus 10y plus 25 equals the 3 squared is now 9. Rearranging the terms, we have now here x squared plus y squared minus 4x minus 10y plus 4 plus 25 minus 9 equals 0. Let us simplify the constants, so we have here plus 20. So the final answer is x squared plus y squared minus 4x minus 10y plus 20 equals 0. Now, using GeoGebra, we're going to draw the circle. This is the circle x squared plus y squared minus 4x minus 10y plus 20 equals 0. The center at 2, 5 and the radius is 3. This is our final answer. Let's go now to conversion of general equation to standard equation of the circle by completing the square. We are going to follow some steps. Given the general equation, and that is x squared plus y squared plus dx plus ey plus f equals 0. This is step 1. Transpose f to the right side of the equation. So we have now x squared plus y squared plus dx plus ey equals negative f. Step 2, we're going to group the x's and y's terms respectively. So we have the first group of x squared plus dx plus the second group y squared plus ey equals negative f. For step 3, we're going to complete the square. It means we're going to add this term, half of d, the quantity is squared, to x group, and the quantity half of e, and the term is squared, to y group. So we have now x squared plus dx plus the square of 1/2 of d, then plus, for the y group, we have y squared plus ey plus the square of 1/2 of e. For the right side, we are going to add the same values, and we have now negative f plus the square of 1/2 of d plus the square of 1/2 of e. Then for step 4, we're going to factor out or simplify. And if we do that, we will reach the standard equation of the circle, and that is the square of x minus h plus the square of y minus k equals r squared. Let us see this example 2. Express x squared plus y squared minus 6x plus 4y minus 3 equals 0 in standard equation. Draw the circle. We're going to start with step 1, and that is to transpose f to the right side of the equation. In here, the f is the negative 3. For step 2, we're going to group all the x and all the y's respectively. So we have the first group, x squared minus 6x, plus the second group, y squared plus 4y equals 3. For step 3, we're going to complete the square. It means for the x group, we're going to add 1/2 of d, then we will square, while for the y group, we're going to add the square of 1/2 of e. It means to say our d is the negative 6. So we will take the 1/2 of negative 6 and then we will square later. And for the group of y, we're going to take the 1/2 of e. Remember, e is the coefficient of y, which is 4. So 1/2 of 4, and then we will square later. While for the right side, we're going to add the same value. This is 1/2 of negative 6, and then later will be squared, plus 1/2 of 4, then later will be squared. Simplifying, this 1/2 of negative 6 is now negative 3, and 1/2 of 4 is positive 2. If we square negative 3, we have now positive 9, and the square of 2 is now positive 4. For the right side, we will just copy the simplified form, and that is 3, the original constant 3 here, plus 9, then plus 4. Now we go to step 4, and that is to factor out or simplify. So this x squared minus 6x plus 9 is now factored out into the square of x minus 3. Then this y squared plus 4y plus 4 is now factored out into the square of y plus 2 equals the right side. 3 plus 9 plus 4 equals 16. And this is now the standard equation of the circle. And from here, we can now collect the center of the circle, and that is 3 and negative 2, while the radius equals 4. Remember, this value 16 is radius square. Therefore, the radius equals 4. Using GeoGebra, we can now draw the circle. This is the circle whose equation is x squared plus y squared minus 6x plus 4y minus 3 equals 0. We can see that the center is at 3, negative 2, and the radius equals 4. This is our final answer. I hope you learned something from this video. See you again next time.